Oppo Find X8 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. When it comes to screen real estate, the Oppo Find X8 Pro boasts a stunning 6.78 inches with an impressive screen-to-body ratio of about 89.8%. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it a notch higher with a larger 6.9 inches display and a 92.5% screen-to-body ratio, ensuring a more immersive viewing experience. Perfect for binge-watching or gaming, photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Oppo Find X8 Pro's versatile quad-camera setup, featuring a remarkable 50-megapixel main lens with OIS and a unique 3x optical zoom periscope lens. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out with its jaw-dropping 200-megapixel wide camera, delivering unparalleled detail and clarity, making it a powerhouse for capturing stunning images in any situation. In the performance arena, the Oppo Find X8 Pro shines with an Antutu score of 2,701,287, showcasing its exceptional processing capabilities. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is not far behind, 7,809 on Antutu, proving that it can handle demanding tasks with ease. Gamers and multitaskers will appreciate both devices, but the Find X8 Pro edges ahead in raw performance. Delving into resolution, the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers a sharp 1264 by 2780 pixels display, translating to roughly 450 ppi, perfect for vibrant visuals. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, however, takes the lead with a stunning 1440 by 3120 pixels resolution and an impressive 498 ppi density, ensuring every image and video pops with clarity and detail. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, featuring a robust octa-core configuration. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra utilizes the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, delivering lightning-fast performance and efficiency, making both devices capable of handling any task seamlessly. Battery life is crucial, and the Oppo Find X8 Pro comes equipped with a massive 5910 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, while slightly smaller at 5000 mAh, still offers impressive longevity, making both phones reliable companions for heavy users. For display technology, the Oppo Find X8 Pro features an LTPO AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, also supports 120Hz and boasts a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. Selfie lovers will find the Oppo Find X8 Pro's 32-megapixel front camera to be a fantastic choice for clear and detailed self-portraits. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a 12-megapixel selfie camera, which, while lower in resolution, still provides excellent quality with dual-pixel PDAF for sharp focus. Both are great for capturing memories. The Oppo Find X8 Pro's MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset is crafted on a 3nm process, ensuring efficiency and power. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite also utilizes a 3nm process, delivering top-tier performance and responsiveness. Both devices are designed to handle the most demanding applications with ease. In terms of storage, the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers configurations up to 1 TB with 16GB of RAM, making it a beast for multitasking and storage. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra matches this with similar options, providing flexibility for users who need ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Both models cater to power users who demand high performance and storage. When it comes to video capabilities, the Oppo Find X8 Pro can record stunning 4K video at 1360 FPS, making it suitable for most content creators. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown with its ability to shoot in 8K at 2430 FPS, offering filmmakers and vloggers the ultimate in high-resolution video recording. Finally, regarding pricing, the Oppo Find X8 Pro comes in at a competitive $1,100, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is priced at $1,300. This price difference reflects the premium features of the Galaxy, making both devices appealing options depending on your budget and needs.